Welcome back to another Mixology Monday. I'm Bri.
And I'm Lee, and today I'm going to teach you how to make the planter's punch.
Make a planter's punch. I really like this drink. Can you tell us about it, Lee?
So, it's a classic drink. It's been around for forever. It has roots in Jamaica. I kind of took the recipe from Smuggler's Cove, which is Martin Cate's book. Also, his tiki bar that he owns in San Francisco kind of kicked off. Didn't kick off, but it kind of helped push forward the whole tiki movement in America.
And you had an ingredient in here that I don't really know about, allspice dram. What is that?
So allspice dram, again, another classic tiki drink used in a bunch of things. Basically, I took our old recipe. You can check it out on our website or our past YouTube videos. It was Jaquan's allspice dram. I used his recipe because it's actually really good. And basically, I took some Queen Charlotte here that we have. That's our barrel-aged drum. And I steeped it in allspice berries for 5 days. And then after those 5 days, I added 2 crushed up cinnamon sticks and let that soak for another 5 days. So 10 days total. Strained all that out. And that's how you make it. Super easy. You don't really have to do much.
It's delicious. I can taste all the spices, and I think it really makes the drink. And you can even smell it all, too.
Yeah, it smells amazing.
It does smell amazing. It smells like Christmas.
Yeah, but Christmas, but in the summer, if that makes sense.
Yeah, that makes perfect sense. Yeah. Well, if you want to learn how to make these drinks, we have cocktail classes here at the distillery, and you can sign up with the link on our website or in the description below. But yeah, until next time.
Cheers.
Cheers.